Okay, this is called Best of Both Worlds. Kind of got the idea from kind of like Hannah Montana or whatever like that. We're gonna show Calm Girl first. So here it goes. Come, you idiot. Where's the damn book? Hello, ma'am. What are you reading? Is it showing? Yes, hello. Let's get over here. What are you reading? Oh, I'm reading. What are you reading? Okay, I'm reading Frankie Dawn. You just lost my bookmark! No, I didn't. Holy shaladdles! Trust you, stupid! Pretend to read now. Okay. Calm Girl's a little crazier than I thought. Okay, Allison, get ready for part 2. Hurry up! It's coming number 2 minutes. Get up, it's the part 2 can only be a minute. Grab the book, fix it. I'll fix it afterwards. Okay, Allison, do you know what you're doing for that? Just shake your head, okay? Get out here. Now for Wild Girl. There's a catwalk and everything. You don't have to have a book, you idiot. That's a library. Let me see your face when I do that, man. Get up. Get up! No, act like a blonde girl. Like, I don't like reading. That was the worst catwalk ever. That was the worst modeling ever. This book. What is that? Dun dun. Oh yes, work it. Shake that head. Ooh, I just saw your underwear. Say bye. Say bye.